Hi, this is Jennifer, and I'm going to show you how to make and use digital reward cards. So I have a sticker card and I also have a punch card. So one was designed for younger students and then one was designed for an audience of middle school to high school students. So the first one I'm going to show you is a digital sticker cards. And this is what the this is what it would look like when you're done. So this is the sticker vault where students can see what stickers that they can try to collect. And you can, I set mine at 10 stickers equals a prize. And since it's for distance learning right now, you can decide upon what your prize might be. Maybe it's a no homework pass, or maybe it's just the stickers and there is no prize, or maybe the students are going to wait until they get back to go get the treasure box or whatever it might be. That's up to you. So again, so this is the sticker vault. I tried to keep all the stickers for the most part gender neutral, and then of course I had some that I think would play more to males and then some that would play more to females. But students can expect that they would get all different types of stickers. So you don't have to be a girl to get the horse, or you don't have to be a boy to get the basketball. So that's what I would make very clear at the beginning, that the stickers are randomly given to you, and it's for no particular reason, really. Okay, so this would be like one student, Joel, has one sticker so far, and Lily has one digital sticker. Way that I designed this is that I made a PDF of all of um, the sticker cards. So for example, if this is Sam's sticker card, Sam would get the PDF, just the one page that has the hyperlink in it, and they could save it, the student could save it to their desktop or save it somewhere on their computer. So that way, when they want to see their sticker card, they just click on it and it's going to bring them directly to their sticker card. And it's updated live. So if you are, for example, that was Sam. So let's grab Sam another sticker. Okay, so let's say Sam just earned a sticker, and I would put that on here. If Sam went back to his, either refreshed his screen, or I'm just going to show you again when I click on it, it's going to update live the new stickers. So it's pretty neat. And I could not find a way to get it to where you can't allow the students to toggle. But that's why I set up the hyperlinks individually, because a lot of students wouldn't even necessarily think to go back and forth to the arrow because it just has their name. If they do, it's no big deal. They can't edit or do anything other than just view other people's sticker boards. So that is the live view. And now I'm going to show you how I made this. So I'm in my favorite app, well, not app, but website. It's free, which is insane because it's such a great program. This is Canva. I have a whole couple videos on this program. So basically what I've done is I have, the main page sticker cards, the sticker vault. I pre-selected stickers. I took the time to go through and find ones that I really thought that a lot of students would like and that were mostly, for the most part, gender neutral, um, and cool and, engaging for students, I guess. I have a almost 9-year-old and I have a 3-year-old, and both of them were super excited about these stickers. So one's a boy and one's a girl. So that was kind of my test to see if this was a good selection. But you can pick your own stickers. And you don't have to have a sticker vault, but my goal here was just anticipating, just thinking of students like, wanting to get a certain sticker, and for you to keep track of what stickers that you've used. And to me, I just thought it was a quick, easy way to manage this long term. So again, I said 10 stickers is, equals a prize, but you can change that. And then I just went through and I made my initial student. I added the name and then I just copied each page and then I just went through and changed the names. So then once you have your students set up, and once you have this whole thing set up, you can't really add any new slides because it's going to mess up the hyperlinks. So, and I found that out the hard way. I was actually making some downloadable templates for this, and I'll show you that as well. Actually, I'm in the wrong drive. That way you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, sticker chart template. So I've made these PNG files, so that way if you want to make your own, you can. So I have the background here that you would literally just upload and use. This is just a sample of my sticker vault. They're not the actual stickers. You would have to go in and add your own stickers, and I'll show you how to do that. And then this is a tens frame that I made. For my son Joel, being in pre-K, I would use this. For my daughter Lily, she likes things kind of scattered around, and I think that's a little bit more fun for the older students. So I eliminated that. And then this is a blank click here where you would just add the student's name and then you would add a hyperlink here. And since this isn't a shape, you would have to add a transparent circle, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So anyway, so this is kind of where I was starting, and let me just show you really quick how if you were doing this, what you would do. So you would go to uploads, and I'm going to actually I have these already, so let me show you. Oh, perfect. Okay, so you would upload the files. So this is an example. So I'm gonna just make an additional page, but I'm gonna have to remember to delete it because it just threw off all my hyperlinks. Okay, so let me just show you what this would look like. You just would drag it onto the page here and it would become the background. So then what I would suggest doing to create a hyperlink here is I would just take a circle, and that way it's going to fill this whole space here, and I would turn it white, and then I would make it, let me make this bigger. I don't know if it'll let me make this bigger. Okay, sorry. I would make this fully transparent so you can't see the shape, but there's a shape there. So then I would create the hyperlink to the specific page. And let me show you, I'm going to delete this so that way it's not messing up my hyperlinks, because I'm going to show you how to make a hyperlink. So what I did was, once you have what you want here, you have all your students and you have your stickers ready to go. What you'll then do is you're going to click on share link. So this is going to make an individual link. It's not necessarily a private link. I don't really consider anything so much on the internet private. Just to remember that, no matter what, like I wouldn't put anything on here that you wouldn't put on like Google Classroom or on Facebook. So it doesn't really matter if someone found this. It doesn't have any student information or anything like that. So when you do share the link, the only people that can view this are people that have the link, and the links are quite complex. So once I click share the link, oops, I clicked the wrong one. I'm going to get share link, and this is the link, so I'm going to copy it, and that's where I am here, but I'm just going to paste it and show you. Okay, so this is the link that you would get. So now to make the hyperlinks, there's an easy way to do this, and I'll show you, but the way that you can double check is at the top of your URL, the first page says share link. If you go to the second page, it's going to say share link number 2. And the next slide, you guessed it, is number 3. So when you are in Canva in your have so many windows open. When you are, okay, here we are. When you're here, so like let's say I wanted to make this a hyperlink. I would select whatever I want to be hyperlinked, and then I'm going to click here and I would paste the link. So since it's the first page, I'm just going to have that there. But, and I underlined it. If it's writing, it underlines it. But let's say I want, for example, this hand to link, or no, let me show you, I'm sorry, let me show you the other one, which is that's not it. Sticker chart, codes for sticker chart, that's what it is. Okay, so the codes that I've made here is, oh, right, I need to delete this page. Delete. Okay, so right now for Joel, for example, if I went to that other slide and I saw that this is number 3. So the initial link, so I just clicked on this and then I click hyperlink and I pasted the link and then it says number 3. So then I just would copy this. Okay, you have to hit apply. I learned that the hard way too. So even if you retype it or paste it, if you click out, it doesn't save it. So apply. So then I would look at this next one, Lily's. If it wasn't hyperlinked, I would click this, I would hit paste, and I would just change the 3 to a 4 because Lily is the next in line on this kind of web link. So I would click apply. So then what I would do to make these cards available to the students is I downloaded it as a PDF because you have to download it as a PDF to keep the links. So I would click download as PDF. You can't download individual page. Well, you can, but that's going to take a long time. If you have Adobe, I'm going to show you a very quick way. Otherwise, you can save them as individual PDFs and put them in a file or whatever, and then you could rename it at the top if you wanted to per student when you save it. But that will take a long time. So I'm going to click download, and then as soon as it downloads, I would click on it, and I'm just going to go to the one that I already have open. Okay, so this is the sticker cards. So I have everyone's in here, and I don't want to send everyone's out in one document. I just want to send everyone their own card. So to do that, if you have Adobe Acrobat, I think that's what it's called. Yeah. So you go to organize pages and it will show you all the pages. And so I'm going to select everything. Actually, let me do this. I'm going to select everything, but I'm going to unselect the first page because I don't need that. Okay, so I'm going to shift and oh, rats. I thought that I could do that. Okay. I'm just going to click them all, I guess. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is click extract, and then I will extract pages as separate files. And as soon as I click that button, it's going to save them to my desktop as a new file, and or as individual PDFs for me to quickly share out to students. And I'll just show you what that looks like too. So on my desktop, it was under digital sticker card links, and here they are. These are all the individual students' card links that I could then quickly email to each student. Now to show you how to add the stickers really quick, if you haven't watched the other Canva tutorials, so to get stickers, I'm gonna do an example here. Oops. Well, let me just delete all. No, I don't know if it'll let me do that. Okay, I'm just gonna delete all of these guys. Okay. So to add your own stickers, you will go to Elements, and they're under stickers, but anything that you type in and then sticker, it's going to be animated. So if I wanted to look for a fish, I would say fish sticker. And then at the end of it, by saying sticker, it's an animated item. So you won't always find everything, but you just have to get creative. So sometimes if I was like trying to find an emoji and I couldn't find it, sometimes I would write smiley. So you just get creative and search for what you can.